Are you looking for small woodworking project ideas to sell for profit or to transform your living spaces with? There are countless mini woodworking project ideas you can consider making. Creating your own wood decor and wood furniture can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Small wooden items which you can make as mini woodworking projects are usual due to several reasons. They are easy to make because most of them are not complicated. They require small wood pieces and mostly could be made by just using basic woodworking tools. Woodworking is a cherished craft that combines creativity, skill, and practicality. While large projects like furniture or cabinetry can be rewarding, making small woodworking items offers a unique set of benefits that can appeal to both novice and experienced woodworkers. One of the primary benefits of small woodworking projects is their accessibility to beginners. Large-scale woodworking can be intimidating due to the complexity and required skill level. Small items provide an excellent starting point. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small woodworking project ideas you can sell for profit or use to transform your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Small projects typically require less wood, which means a lower financial investment. Beginners can experiment with different types of wood without the fear of wasting expensive materials. This affordability encourages experimentation and learning, helping new woodworkers build confidence in their skills. The shorter duration required to complete small woodworking projects is another appealing aspect for beginners. Unlike a dining table that might take weeks to finish, small items can often be completed in a single afternoon. This quick turnaround allows for immediate gratification and fosters a sense of accomplishment. Making small woodworking items offers an excellent way to hone various skills essential for larger projects. Small projects demand a high level of precision. Crafting items like jewelry boxes or small toys requires exact measurements and careful cutting. This focus on detail helps woodworkers improve their accuracy, which is crucial for more complex pieces. Working on smaller items allows woodworkers to familiarize themselves with various tools. From hand saws and chisels to power tools, small projects provide opportunities to practice safe and effective tool usage. This experience is invaluable as one progresses to larger, more intricate projects. Small woodworking items often require creative design solutions. Crafting a unique key holder or a decorative shelf can help develop an eye for aesthetics and functionality. These design principles can later be applied to larger projects, enhancing overall woodworking capabilities. Woodworking is an art form, and creating small items allows for significant creative expression. Small projects are ideal for personalization. Items such as custom signs or engraved gifts can reflect the creator's personality or the recipient's interests. This personalization adds emotional value to the finished piece, making it a thoughtful gift or home decor item. Working on smaller projects gives woodworkers the freedom to experiment with various styles and techniques. Whether trying out different wood finishes, exploring geometric designs, or incorporating mixed materials, small items serve as a canvas for artistic exploration. Many small woodworking items serve practical purposes, which can enhance daily life. Small woodworking projects can yield highly functional items that improve organization and efficiency in the home. Consider making small storage boxes, utensil holders, or wall organizers. These items not only contribute to a tidy living space, but also showcase the skills and creativity of the maker. Crafting small items can satisfy a practical need for thoughtful gifts. Handmade gifts carry a unique charm that store-bought items often lack. A handmade wooden toy, a personalized picture frame, or a custom cutting board can have a profound impact on recipients, making special occasions even more memorable. Engaging in woodworking, particularly small projects, can be a therapeutic experience. The process of woodworking requires concentration and focus, which can help distract from daily worries and stressors. The repetitive actions of sanding, cutting, and assembling can induce a meditative state, promoting mindfulness and presence in the moment. Woodworking involves physical movement, which can be beneficial for overall well-being. The act of working with one's hands engages the body, fosters dexterity, and can even provide a moderate workout. This physical engagement can enhance mood and reduce stress. Woodworking can foster connections with others, whether through sharing a workspace or engaging in collaborative projects. Many woodworkers find joy in community. Small projects are often the perfect opportunity to join workshops or local maker spaces where individuals can share techniques, tips, and advice. This interaction can enhance skills and inspire creativity. As woodworkers gain experience, they often enjoy passing on their knowledge. Teaching a friend or family member how to create small woodworking items can strengthen bonds and create shared experiences. This mentorship can be rewarding for both the teacher and the learner. Woodworking inherently promotes an appreciation for natural resources. By engaging in small woodworking projects, individuals can develop a greater understanding of sustainable practices. Small projects often provide opportunities to use scrap wood or offcuts from larger projects. This practice reduces waste and encourages sustainable woodworking habits. It fosters creativity as woodworkers learn to see potential in materials that might otherwise be discarded. Crafting small items encourages woodworkers to choose sustainable materials, such as reclaimed wood or locally sourced timber. This awareness contributes to environmental conservation efforts and promotes responsible crafting. For those interested in pursuing woodworking as a business or hobby, creating small items can help build a portfolio. Small projects allow woodworkers to showcase their skills in various areas, including joinery, finishing, and design. A diverse portfolio of small items can attract potential clients or collaborators and serve as a testament to the woodworker's abilities. Craft fairs, online marketplaces, and local shops often seek unique, handmade small items. Woodworkers can turn their passion into a side business by selling their creations, which can provide additional income and further encouragement to continue honing their craft. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked small woodworking project ideas you can sell for profit or use to transform your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.